right? So now we are dealing with decimal fraction. Writing decimal fractions as decimals, like converting decimal fractions to decimal. We're just done with place value in decimals. All right, so as we proceed here, you will find some better understanding, by applying in the application of the concept of place value in decimal fraction. Okay, so question number 1, we're requested to convert. This is a decimal fraction. Decimal fractions actually are fractions whose denominators are in the powers of 10, right? It could be in the power of, it could be in the power of 10, meaning it could be 10. Another power of 10 is 100. Another power of 10 is 1000. Another power of 10 is 10,000, okay? Powers in multiples of 10, all right? Okay, so question number 1, this is 1 over 10. Now, the value of this is a decimal fraction. Converting it to a decimal is this. And how? This is how it is done. The first thing you think about, this is 1/10. 1/10. 1 over 10. 1/10. Dividing 1 by 10. Call it 1/10. Okay, 1/10. 1 divided by 10. Okay, so what we'll do here is this. A quick method is to consider how many digits you have here. Is how many zeros? You have only 1 0, right? And remember, in the previous, when we're dealing with place values, we say any digits, anytime you have only a single digit after the decimal point, the first digit, the place value is tenths. Tenths, okay? So now 1 over 10, the first thing you think, how many zeros do you have here? You have only 1, which is this. Okay? Then put your decimal point here. Start here with 0. And that's how we arrived at 1 over 10 being written as 0.1 in decimal. All right? So the same rules, the same principle is applicable here where we have 5/10. This is 5/10. Okay? This is 5/10. 5/10. Okay? 5/10. 5/10. That is 5 divide by 10. Divide by 10. So this is 5/10. Okay? 5/10. Alright? So how many digits? 5 divided by 10. How many zeros do you have here? We've got only 1, 5. Okay? Sorry, we got only 1 0. So bring down the numerator, which is 5. Since it's only 1 0, it means after decimal point you got only one number, only one digit. So we have 0.5. That's how we arrive at 0.5. Okay, the same thing applies here. This is 10/10. 10 divided by 10. Okay, so you could come as well to say 10 divided by 10, okay. How many zeros? Here you have only one zero. Okay, so you bring down the numerator, which is 10, and the 0 is actually 0.1. To the left, 10 divided by 10. Sorry, let me divide. Here you might say 0 cancels 0, and what do you have left? You have only 1. 1 or 1.0. Okay, it is 10. The numerator here, numerator is 10. You must have one digit after this. So 10 divided by 10 . Alright, 10 divided by 10. Bring down this numerator. 10. How many zeros do you have here? You have only one. So we must have one digit after the decimal point. This is the decimal point. So the answer is 1.0 or 1. Okay, so that is how we write decimal fractions, convert decimal fraction to decimal. So let's go further to deal with decimal fractions. This is actually decimal fraction up to tenths, as you can see, tenth. So let's go further to do decimal fraction up to 1/100th. That's what we're going to do next.